Isang leres chika mga masang. Isang sikat na kaibigan ng Don Bell or sina Donnie Pangilinan at Bel Mariano ang nagsabing maniwala lang daw tayo sa Don Bell nang sila nakapanayam ng tatlong witch reporter. Ito nga ang sabi niya, walang bibitaw, huwag kayong bibitaw Don Bell fans, only believe in them. They are simply assuring us that why you all don't have to worry. No need to listen to the noise of the world because we're still each other's kakampi. Alam nyo, sila pa rin hanggang dulo.